Hello. I'm your host Solomon Gitonga and karibu sana to JR Residency. JR Residency is located right here at the heart of Ruaka. Ruaka being one of the best investment destinations right now in Nairobi. And of course, JR Residency is the hottest thing right now. JR Residency is just off Limuru Road. And of course, down there, Northern Bypass. Not forgetting, we are adjacent to malls like Roslyn Mall, Two Rivers, and of course, Village Market. We are also not so far away from schools for your children. And of course, the UN, UNEP, name it. We are close to everything that matters. Yes. This is the best opportunity for you right now. Hurry up. And for that, let me take you for a tour. Karibu sana. Come with me.